Hello and welcome to my kitchen. A fruit cocktail layered with creamy yogurt is just ideal for summers, and it's really easy to make this stunning dessert. Are you a new visitor? Do consider subscribing for interesting, easy, tried and tested recipes. Let's get started. For the fruit cocktail, I am using plum, kiwi, mango and pomegranate seeds. I am also using some dried apricots, dried cranberries and raisins. I always like to use a combination of dry and fresh fruit in my fruit cream. For the yogurt cream, we require some hung curd or yogurt, and we just need to beat it well till it's nice and smooth. In a large bowl, add in the chilled whipping cream. I'll use an electrical beater. We need to add in a few things here. Some icing sugar. Make sure to sift the icing sugar when you add it in. It usually has lumps in it. The icing sugar also stabilizes the cream. Half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Once it is thickened slightly, just increase the speed. It's holding the peaks. Time for us to stop beating it and add in the yogurt. Give it a mix. And that's ready. Put it in the fridge for about 15 minutes before you start assembling the dessert. I've just taken out the yogurt cream from the fridge and the fruit tray. I'm also using some crushed almonds to add a crunch. You could use walnuts or pine nuts instead. I'm using a stemmed glass to set the dessert. You could use a glass bowl or even a squat glass. Let's add in some fruit at the base of the glasses. Make sure to distribute the fruit pieces evenly. Top it with the cream. That's the yogurt cream. Use the spoon to spread it out. Add more fruit on top. If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends. Top it with more yogurt cream. That's ready. Decorate the top with fruit pieces and serve the dessert absolutely chilled. Remember to click the bell icon when you subscribe.